Hi, I'm Victor DeMello from Pune. I got to know about this session on option trading from Facebook, and before this, I've never traded in options. So I was very interested to know the basic about options, and our teacher Nilesh has really explained it in a very simple way that even a beginner can understand. And the main thing is you need to take action and actually practice whatever strategies you have learned in the seminar, and that is how you will learn and make good passive income from options trading. So I would urge all of you all to join any future seminars which Nilesh sir will take in Pune or Mumbai. He also has got a course in advanced options trading, which those who are already trading in options can join and improve their skills even further. So all the best to Nilesh sir, and I am very confident that I will earn good amount of passive income through whatever two strategies he has taught. Thank you so much.